Hi, I'm Diana Edgerton with MakeYouHappen.com, and today we have our kickboxing expert, Ginger.
Hi.
Hi.
So today we're going to go over just a couple basics of form and technique to help protect your knees when you're taking classes. We're going to go over the cross today. So Diana's going to turn and face the front mirror. Feet are wider than hip width apart. Knees are soft. Slight pelvic tilt under. Bring your guard up right here to your cheek. Elbows are down to the floor. Now draw the belly button back to the spine and knit the rib cage back in together right here using the abdominal wall. So she's going to turn her body all the way to the side wall and follow through the cross punch. Notice what she's doing here is lifting the heel up and bending the knee into a lunge position. Bringing it back to guard and nice and tight right here, abdominal engage. So then we're going to turn it into a quick cross punch, which a lot of times this is the one that's going to agitate the knees the most. So if you're thinking of punching to 2 and 10 o'clock, we're going to just pick up our heels and rotate into our punch just a little bit. Turn, lifting up the heels, yes, as you do your movement. Then all you do is follow through the quick jab or cross to each side. Perfect. So notice as she's moving, she's picking up her heels and taking the pressure off the knees. Also to think of keeping her body all as one piece from the shoulder all the way down to the kneecap will help keep that force tight and help protect the knees.
I have a question.
Yes.
So, as I'm doing it on this carpet, it kind of sticks to my feet, so it's kind of hard to move. Is that?
Yes. And that will be what we're going to talk about this month in February is our shoes. A lot of people, when you go to the stores, you're going to find that most of the shoes, probably 60 to 70% of the shoes on the rack are running shoes that have a lot of tread on the bottom, and on any surface you're going to feel that in your knees when you start pivoting. So what we recommend is to focus on trying to find a good cross trainer that doesn't have a lot of traction underneath, just enough to keep you from slipping. And then also to think about how often you're going to change your shoes. If your knees are starting to hurt, probably start with your shoes. And obviously talk to your doctor, but start with your shoes, try a new shoe. Most of us don't replace our shoes every 3 months like it's recommended. Alright, so in conclusion, I would say if your knees are starting to bother you in classes, in kickboxing classes, or any class, first of all, check your shoes. When was the last time you purchased new shoes? Recommended that they last 3 months. Number 2 would be to follow through with your form and technique. Practice it, work on it, turn your whole body with your punches rather than just twisting through your torso. And number 3, if your knees are still bothering you, always check with your doctor.
Thank you so much, Ginger. And if you'd like to find out more about the correct forms on kickboxing, go to MakeYouHappen.com.